So my name is Katie Mayo. I work for PCP Gratings and I'm a CAD engineer. An In-Comm ambassador is someone who will work with younger people and people who want to change their career possibly and try and encourage them to do an apprenticeship. I'm looking to gain more skills, so patience and teamwork, as working with younger children isn't really what I do. I work with older people. Look at all your options, because I think if you narrow yourself down after school, it isn't necessarily worth it. I spent 2 years at sixth form and a year at university, and it was not my route, and now I'm getting paid to learn, whereas before I was having to pay to learn.